Best Drama Supporting Actress, Pinky Amador, Abot Kamay na Pangarap, GMA7. Angel Aquino, Dirty Linen, TV5, A to Z. Rio Locsin, Black Rider, GMA7. Cherry Pie Picache, FP Transporting Club, TV5, A to Z. Gladys Reyes, Black Rider, GMA7. Sylvia Sanchez, Senior High, TV5, A to Z. Maricel Soriano, Pira-Pirasong Paraiso, TV5, A to Z.
And the star for the Best Drama Supporting Actress goes to Miss Cherry Pie Picache, FPJ's Barang Quiapo, TV5 A to Z. Congratulations, Miss Pie.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's all rise and kneel before Miss Cherry Pie Picache. Presenting the award is BMPC Assistant Secretary Mildred Bakut.
Sa wakas. No, I would really like to thank PMPC. Maraming salamat. Kaya ako talaga nagpunta. Bihira itong mangyari eh. I'm always nominated. Bihira. Ayaw niyo akong pagsalita. First time.
There, okay. It's all good.
Hello.
Ladies and gentlemen, first time, once again, Miss Cherry Pie Picache.
Ayun nga, sa wakas. Kasi ulit talaga. Thank you to the Philippine Movie Press Club. Maraming salamat talaga. Katulad nga ng sinabi ko kanina, kaya ako talaga nagpunta. Kasi bihira ito bihira akong manalo. Laging nominated, so thank you talaga. And you know, this is a good affirmation for all the hard work and love I put into my craft. So salamat. But you know, in any creation, I cannot only do it alone as an actor. I always collaborate, and it's always a teamwork. So with this recognition, I would like to share it with ABS-CBN. Of course, Tita Cory, Sir Carlo, Sir Mark, everyone. To my Dreamscape family, with loving thoughts to Sir Deo Edrinal. I'm sure you're smiling up there. Our founder of Dreamscape. And to my B61 management, headed by Mr. B-Boy Arboleda, Eileen, team, everybody in the group. Mr. Edgar Estrella, thank you for all your love and support, always. And the last but not the least, of course, to my Batang Quiapo and CCM Production family. It's headed by Coco Martin, who continuously show us na walang pinagtatagumpayan pag hindi pinaghihirapan, pinagpapasensyahan at pinagtatrabahuan. Lagi yun. For your generosity, sa sipag mo, sobrang saludo kami. Sa sipag mo, sa lahat ng tulong mo na binibigay. Sa lahat ng tao at lalong-lalo na sa mga senior actors. Salamat, Mr. Coco Martin. And then, our other heads, Ayla Garcia, Lea Calmerin, all the Journey, Louis J, and our directors, Malu Sevilla, Daniel Villaflor, Richard Somes, to all the staff and crew who works very hard. Maraming salamat. Sana wala na ako nakalimutan. Of course, my last. Lagi ito, pag nananalo ko, sa buhay at pag-ibig ko, alam mong malaking bahagi nito para sa iyo, anak. Kay Neo. And to God all be the glory. Maraming salamat po. God bless us, everyone.
Yes, sir, Lord. We love you and congratulations.